And we're back to learn Illustrator in the year day 29. Let me show you how you can adjust the dashes so that you have squares, for example, or vertical and horizontal rectangles. First up, we'll start with a stroke color of black, make it 25 points, go to Window, use the stroke option, and then we show the options right here. Check the box for dashed line, and this should be kind of like the default that you see, so it looks like a vertical rectangle. And the reason why it's a rectangle and not a square is the relationship between the weight and the dash. So we have two values here, 25 points for the weight, which is the stroke weight, and then 12 points for the dash. So this is the size of the dashes. So our weight is more than 2 times as much, and therefore we have these vertical rectangles. If I adjust the dash to 5, you can see it gets thinner in a horizontal line, and therefore we now have a rectangle that's 5 times the height as our width. But what if we make the weight the same as our dash? Well, now we actually have squares. So when the relation is 1 to 1, in this case 5 points for weight and dash, and you can adjust the size of it here. So 15 and 15 would make it bigger, but still get us squares. And the other way around, if you want to have these horizontal rectangles, just make the dash bigger than your weight. And this is how it can affect the look of these dashes in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.